Hello YouTube, how are you doing? Happy Black Friday, happy Thanksgiving. Today, a beautiful purchase. This is now part of the new ban our great leader has decided to implement. He wants to ban all semi-automatics, anything with a detachable magazine. Yep. On sale, $3.99. It's a very good deal. Now, unfortunately, as you all know, I want to change my name to Charlie Brown because at the store, he did open it and I was too awestruck by the gun to notice that something was missing. Seems to be my lot in life. So this is the transfer notice. Even now, non-restrictive guns have to be registered. So the German sports gun GSG-9, I'm tired, I just got in, -16 22 LR. The manual. Beautiful. Oops, sorry. Detailed takedowns, maintenance. You can adjust the trigger. You can also change the charging handle left or right, which is a cool feature. This is the receipt. Hold on. So, with tax, $460. Pretty good deal. From the time I chose it until all the paperwork and registration was done, roughly 10 minutes. Made in Germany. Another sticker. This is the part I like the most. Tiny little snap cap. The tools to change out your sights. I guess we'll take off the snap cap for now. And another good news, when I got home, I got a nice email saying that one of the 2 guns I bought this summer was approved. So I'm picking it up tomorrow. So that's another video. So this we don't lose. And now the moment we all been waiting for. Oh yeah. And this was the last one. The other one they had was a used one. I didn't want that. So as you see, it's supposed to be 2 mags. There's 2 slots, only 1 mag. I've been hearing rumors a lot of stores are doing this to sell off the other mag. I'm gonna call them tomorrow. It's past closing time now. Now, I'm not facing the camera, so I can't really see. Now, it's not recommended never to fire these without any rounds. So just to be on the safe side, I'm right-handed. Okay, sorry about that. So folding stock. Fully extended. That is a bit big for me. Now GSG is also known for airsoft guns. This does wiggle. This is solid fixed. Now we'll it's a nice little snap to it. Now it's loaded. Now I can fire it. And of course, safe Wire. Disappointed about the second mag. I'm pretty sure something tells me that they're going to give me a hard time to get it. Now it says here ATI Somerville, so this is imported from the States. American Tactical right here. I'm just going to lower it. There you go. Put it back. It's not too heavy. It does feel like an airsoft gun. So here's some metal. Obviously the barrel. Unfortunately, one of the reasons why I came home late, I went to 5 different areas and no one has any 22 LRs. They all have the short rounds, which obviously will not work in this. So yeah, I didn't expect that. And that's going to be a hassle, but still. Let's see if it ejects. And it does. I release it under control. I just can't wait for tomorrow too. 2 new guns in one day. Well, technically the other one I got in July, but the transfer came in today. Now, I'm seeing a lot of people treating this like the MP5. I'm not going to do that. Yeah, it looks cool, but I don't want to spend another $399. So, unless it's the real round. Access is easy. It does feel a bit sloppy. Or maybe this is how 22s are. This is my first 22, by the way. If everyone knows my other rifles, I like the big bang. I like the big kick. Here's a GSG. I was looking for that. Okay, 8 minutes. Thank you for watching. Happy Thanksgiving.